Video, I'm going to show you how to promote your affiliate links using YouTube Shorts. Now, YouTube Shorts is new, it's still popular, and it can be a good opportunity to make some passive income. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn everything that you need to do step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so I think YouTube Shorts is still a really good opportunity to start earning some passive income with affiliate marketing if you do it the right way. And so the only thing you really need is you need a product to promote, which we're going to talk about in just a moment, and you need to figure out the content you need to create, and you need to figure out the content you should create, a little bit of keyword research, and then figure out how you're going to create that content. So let's go ahead and take a look at each of those steps. For the purposes of this video, we are actually going to use BlueHost. Now, as you know, BlueHost is a web hosting provider for small and medium-sized businesses, as well as solopreneurs and entrepreneurs. And so we're going to use this. We can apply to become an affiliate for BlueHost, but this will work for any niche: basket weaving, stand mixers, microwaves, you name it, it can work for any of these. So we're just going to use this, and we can take a look at the keywords that they're using on their website as an idea, as an opportunity. So we could create content about web hosting, shared hosting, website builder, WordPress made easy. We could decide to create content on all of these. And the cool thing with YouTube Shorts is they get both organic as well as, I would say, inorganic push because it's new and they're trying to compete with TikTok. So let's go ahead, and we found our affiliate program. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of research. So I jumped back over to YouTube here and I searched how to start a blog. And this person has 6,489 views from this YouTube short on how to start a blog. And essentially, you're going to do the same thing. You can jump up here to the search bar and do how to start a underscore blog or underscore website. Or another thing you do is like 5 pros of BlueHost, 5 cons of HostGator or something along those lines. But as you can see here, when we type in how to start an underscore blog, there are lots of things coming up. So if we do this, we could hit the letter Q and see what pops up. We can do this for every letter of the alphabet. Let's see, we'll do Q again, underscore. We'll try W underscore, and then just go through and potentially create this content. So now that we have that, we have our keyword research taken care of. Another thing you can do is you can jump over to Ahrefs, and I'll actually show you how to do that as well. Now, Ahrefs is going to make your life a little bit easier. Another thing you could do is you could actually use something like TubeBuddy. Now, I'll put a link down to TubeBuddy. It is an affiliate link, but this will actually help you with finding keywords a little bit faster. So we could do like how to start an underscore blog, or how to start an underscore website, something along those lines, and you can see these all pop up. Now the cool thing with this, so if we do Q here again, we do W, let's get rid of this. Why isn't this working? So we could say how to start a e-commerce blog, and the cool thing with something like TubeBuddy is it's going to give you a ranking. So the possibility of your YouTube video ranking organically in the search. So let's just do how to start a blog for beginners. Now this is going to be really competitive, so I don't expect our ranking to be very high. Not bad. And so this is unweighted. This is great for a new website or YouTube channel. If we look at weighted, you can see that's not so great for my channel. And as you can see, it's actually exploding in popularity. The other cool thing with TubeBuddy is it's going to give you some alternative options. So how to start a blog for beginners Canada. If we click on that and we take a look at the unweighted score could be better. As you can see, 100. It's actually better to create how to start a blog for beginners Canada. Now that we know that, the next step is to simply go ahead and create content. Now what I recommend that you do is upload about 1 YouTube short per day if you're going to follow through with this method. So let's do this. We can do this in a few different ways. If you have video editing software, you can use video editing software like ScreenFlow. You just want to make sure that you change the dimensions. If you don't have video editing software, you can go over to something like Canva. It is free. We'll type in canva.com just like this, and then we can do TikTok videos, and they will have a template for us. TikTok video just like that. They might even have YouTube Shorts, but it's the same dimension, so it doesn't matter. So we're going to click on TikTok video. And then you can either use one of these templates. There are free and paid templates. We're going to create a blank one. Now what we can do here, there's a lot of options. Let's see here. We are going to, we can use some of these, or we can look at the elements. So we could say like, let's do website like this. Click on that. All of these are paid, but we want to take a look at the elements, and we're going to type in website once again, just like that. And then you can see there's some options that we could add. So if we wanted to, we could drag this over like this, and we can increase the size if we wanted to, and just play around with it. The other cool thing with this is you can actually animate this as well. So if we wanted to, we could have this fan in. We could put at the top, how to start a website in Canada. In fact, that's what we're going to add next, is we're going to add a little bit of text here at the top. Let's see, we'll do this like that, and we could say how to start a website in Canada. All right, and so what we can do here is we're going to actually change this font. And let's see, let's do special elite, and then we can adjust the size as needed. Actually, let's do this one, just like that. And then we can also come back over to elements. Let's delete that, and then we can add a square. We can put that back like this. All right, and then we're going to move this to the back position, backward, just like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add in another scene, and then we're going to do like step 1. Let's find my thing here. Text. Step 1. Step 1. Number 1. Get a domain name and web hosting. All right. And once again, we're going to change this like that. And let's move this up. And then we could put in something like, let's do name. And we can add that for free. We can increase the size like this. And then we're going to position this in the middle, so that's good. And then we can say something like, let's copy this, paste it, and then we could say like, click the first link to get a free domain name. All right. And so what we're going to probably want to do is make this a little bit smaller. Keep that on 2 lines, move this up, because you have to remember at the bottom, there's going to be a chunk that's taken out for your information and some text or some various stuff. So what we're going to do is here, we're just going to say, and we got to get these words spelled correctly. Click. There we go. And so what we can do is we can adjust this to make sure that it's on 2 lines as well. And then we could actually add some animated arrows. So let's grab some arrows like this, arrow just like that. And then let's see if we can find, I think this one is, no, this one's not animated, but that's okay. So we could, let's animate this one as well. And then we can animate this to go down, or, whatever we want. But I think this is how this could be a great way to start getting some leads and sales. And so you do step 1, get a domain name, web hosting. Create another one. You can do step 2, get a premium WordPress theme. And then you could actually link out to a second thing. And then step 3, make changes to a few settings. Step 4, go ahead and start writing, or, start selling, whatever it may be. The cool thing about this is you can actually change the length of time as well. So right now it's only 15 seconds, and this is basically what it's going to look like. And if we take a look at this, I could automate this a little bit more. If you look at this is cool because the arrow moved around a little bit, but you can see this is basically how you could do it. Another option is to just point your phone at the computer screen. This will take you a little bit more time, but this looks, a little bit better aesthetically. And we could, just kind of, let's add this plus sign here if we wanted to. we could add in a page, or we could even add in a transition. So let's do the transition, and then we're gonna play this again. So look at this. With our transition added, it's going to look even better. Look at this, it slides over. It actually looks pretty cool, and it just doesn't jump. We could actually add the transitions to multiple ones as well, but I think this actually looks really cool. So the next step is to click on download, and this is going to download to your computer. If we click download, it'll pop up on my screen in just a second. The final step is simply to go into your YouTube channel, and I'm going to assume at this point I'm going to assume that you already have a YouTube channel set up. You're just going to upload the video, and then make sure that you title your video whatever your keyword is. So how to start a blog for beginners Canada. That's important because your video can show up both in the search results as well as in the short. So if we play this here, if you wanted to, you could actually get some music from Canva, or you could actually do a voiceover. The cool thing with Canva is it offers you a lot of options. And so you could add in a voiceover if you wanted to, and then get up and running that way. But in my opinion, the most important thing that you should do is title your video the title that you found here, and then add shorts afterwards, and then make sure you include your affiliate links or a link to your email address and your landing pages, so that you can start collecting emails and building a larger business, selling them more products with fewer customers. So the process is actually really easy. The first step is to determine your affiliate program or pick a niche. The second step is to go out and do a little bit of keyword research. You can do keyword research with TubeBuddy, or you can manually do it through going through each letter of the alphabet over on YouTube. And then you want to figure out how you're going to create content. There's 3 ways you can create content. One is talking head, another one, and you can actually do a talking head and then upload it into Canva if you wanted to. Another way, you can point your phone at your computer screen, or you can use something like Canva. You can also use ScreenFlow. I use ScreenFlow, so that's an option as well. And then finally, you just create the content. Make sure you're creating content that solves the problem. This how-to video is really easy because it's showing step-by-step how to do it. And then, as you can see, put your links, your affiliate links in the description, and then make sure that you're uploading at least 1 video per day. Now that you know how to promote your affiliate links with YouTube Shorts, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.